magkakasama.
Love you, be. Love you, be. Love you, be.
Happy birthday, Tita!
Wish namin sa'yo good health and more birthday to come and success, especially for your life. Continues to be a good and more blessings for you.
Happy birthday, Mana! Sana maging malusog ka lagi at maging masaya ka ngayong birthday mo. Ingat ka lagi. Love you.
Happy birthday, Tita. Ingat ka palagi.
Happy birthday, Tita! Sana lagi kang healthy and sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo and more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita! Happy birthday, Tita! Happy birthday, Tita! Happy birthday,
Hello, Clarice. Happy birthday. Na sana marami pang birthday dadaanan at lagi kaming masaya. Maganda. Hindi ka malungkutin kasi birthday mo ngayon. Magpakatibay ka lang at saka mananalig ka lang. Maniwala ka lang sa Panginoon. Siya lang talaga ang ating sandigan para ano man ang ating kailangan, nandyan si God para sa atin. Kaya happy birthday, sis. Magkaroon pa tayo ng maraming pagsasama. Di ba? Tama? Pagsasama.
Okay na?
Okay.
Iris, happy birthday. More birthdays to come and more blessings to come. God bless.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Iris, sige na muna. Sige, birthday na.
Happy birthday, babies.
Kaya ka.
Happy birthday, babies.
Ayaw na. Ayaw mo na maroy.
Happy birthday, auntie. Tak permi kalaman mau saya bertanya matang.
Ibu na po.
Happy birthday, Iris. Punta dumawang pagkat kwarta.
Happy birthday ba na Sula? Sana lagi ka mahatag. I love you. Good ha.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Irish.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Hello, Riz. Happy birthday. More birthday to come. God help always. Love you.
Hello, birthday girl! Hello, wife lady! Happy birthday! Okay, my wish is good health and always be happy. Good health to your family and be good always. Yun. At ang mga anak mo sana maging successful. Yun naman ang mga wish nating mga inay, di ba? Enjoy your happy moment today. Kahit wala tayong ganap. Marami pang birthday darating sa atin. Kaya, always strong lang tayo. Marami pang darating. Pwede nating isip kung paano tayo magsama-sama sa ngayon. Very busy ang mga person. Wish you all happiness in your life. Happy birthday, White Lady Iris. We love you. Hawak mo ang beat. Hawak mo ang beat. Hawak natin ang beat lahat. Happy birthday, Irish!
Hi, Iris! Happy birthday! Sana maagang birthday pagkaloob sa'yo ni Lord. God bless you. Gandara Iris, mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. I love you.
Hi Irish! Happy birthday! More birthdays to come and more blessings to come. We love you from Gandaras.
Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sa'yo ang inumin, sa'yo ang pulutan. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sana'y malasing na kayo. Happy birthday anak, Iris. Sana nasa punta mo kay Panlawas. Giret ka hasta. Giret ka hasta. Iligwayon tim lawas pati tim mga anak nga tanan. Punta di kay ngalimot tayo makabugtuhan mga kag-anak. Happy birthday.